Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So we've got three particles, 1, 2, 3, they're all travelling in the same plane with velocities as shown in the vector diagram. What is the root mean square speed of the particles? Speed is a key word here, not velocity. So the mean square speed, not the root mean square speed, the mean square speed of these particles, let's call them particles x, y, and z, and we'll say they have velocities x, y, and z, is the speed of x squared plus the speed of y squared plus the speed of z squared over the number of particles, and there's 1, 2, 3. So the mean square speed, got one at 2 meters per second, plus one at 4 meters per second, plus one at 6 meters per second, and there's only 3 particles. So the mean square speed is going to be 18.6, I suppose those would be units of meters squared per second squared. The root mean square speed is just the square root of this answer. And if you put that into your calculator, we'll find that it's 4.3 meters per second. Answer B. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. All comments will be welcome if there's any questions you'd like me to go through. And I hope you'll share this video and watch more of them in the series. Thank you.